What is India Engineers Day? We celebrate this day as the birth anniversary of Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwarya. He was an Indian civil engineer and statesman and the 19th Diwan of Mysore, serving from 1912 to 1919. He received the Bharat Ratna in 1955, which is the India's highest honor. What were his contributions in the society? He was knighted as Knight Commander of the British Indian Empire for his contributions to the public good. His birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day in India, Sri Lanka, and Tanzania in his memory. He was the chief engineer of Krishna Rajasagar Dam in northwest suburb of Mysuru city. He achieved celebrity status when he designed a flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad. He was instrumental in developing a system to protect Vishakhapatnam port from sea erosion. This dam created the biggest reservoir in Asia when it was built. He was responsible for founding the Mysore soap factory, the Mysore Iron and Steel Works, and the State Bank of Mysore, etc. So, how can we celebrate it? On this Engineers Day, let's take a moment to remember him for his great contributions to the society, and another moment to rethink that being an engineer, are we really innovating every day? Are we really shaping the world for the better? Are we really an engineer? Happy Engineers Day.